Guys, a little story. I came to this Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Yeah. And when I saw the Ackee tree with Ackee on it, I've been dreaming of picking these Ackees. And before we leave, I actually picked the people them Ackee. I don't think
we're picking our own Ackee, guys. Only in Jamaica. Look at that. Yeah, that way. That's the way you do it.
Lord, this is what I want to get money over.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I don't want to pick one.
Yay, we just picked some Ackee. Woohoo.
Long way. Reminds you of something in it.
No, what does it remind you of?
Mint soup. So we got this Airbnb cook. Nothing is ever the same. When we mean nothing's ever the same, as you can see, we're not using a boiling pot, we're using a frying pan to boil. With Ackee, you can't put the Ackee in cold water. The water gotta boil. If you put it in cold water, what happens is that it gets soft. You don't want eggs and it ain't runny. So we put it in boiling water and let it cook. It will stay firm. You know how we saute these things down. We use less oil in this kitchen. If not, we don't use no oil. But yes, we have the green onions in Jamaica, we call it scallions. We have the thyme. I think thyme is called thyme anywhere in the world. It's not the clock time, the time. Then we have tomatoes. Then we have green peppers. Jamaica loves green peppers. We have onions also, which are the white onions this time. Normally we use red onions, but we're in Jamaica. We can get, Airbnb cook. Over here, we have the codfish. Already boiled already, not too salty. This is how you taste stuff, So don't put the inside of it. I want it because I just wanted to spice it up a little bit. But we're actually going to throw the water off. So when I do, let's do this. We're going to slide it in. Can you? Maybe your taste buds are going wild. Maybe you like me now. Maybe you don't like me a bit because you probably won't be tasting this. But no fear, man. Next time. You don't need big head. This is where we have that. You don't want to probably anything, but you want to give that something and that one thing. We do have a surprise for you. Don't worry, it's not a celebrity. We don't want them to know that. Do the speaker. So you gotta make another hole so the ear can go through, like a whale. Yes, man. I'll shake it a little. Make sure that milk comes out. The rest of that is going in my punch. Now that we have two, a little hot. Way in the corner, in the black trunks, he has gloves made of charcoal. You know what I mean? It's the one and only, bread. To find out, you gotta eat it to know. You can eat it ripe, you can eat it green, and you can eat it. So we roast, fry. Over here, what they do, we're gonna start by cutting it in half. Makes it easier to deal with it if you cut it in slices. So here we go. There's some breadfruit cut in half. That's the heart. Now we cut this in half because you wanted it in slices. Makes it easier to handle. Because now you have to peel it. Also, I don't want to get it black. So I should have scraped it off first. Again, we wrong, baby. So, okay. Now you're going to go through the heart. Take that section out. Here we go. See how that part that doesn't have any holes? That's a little bit, but that's again to test the water. That's what does. Still not ready. Put some fire under that. Foodie. Here we go. The pot is hot, so everything drops in, should sizzle. I like to go around the pot. Turn them so now you can see the color has changed and the texture has also changed. We went from a soft texture to a crispy. So yeah, these are them. You can see they're all crispy. You don't need to fry them too long. You just need to get them a little brown on one side, crispy enough so you can dip your stuff. Next time you see me, I'll be chowing down. So because one of us can't handle pepper, or shouldn't eat pepper, I'm gonna make a separate dish from the same meal. I won't have to cook it again. All I need to do is just add something.
Peppers.
This is a Scotch bonnet pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it up.
Guys, we're gonna taste this food and see how it tastes. Hot sauce.
That's Scotch bonnet pepper. And that's what it is on the side.
Can we taste this?
For me, I'll have both because I like roasted. That's a little shame.
And you can see the ackee, peppers, beans, everything. Yummy.
The pepper? I haven't even gotten yet. Let me have some of yours, man. That's crazy. You took all the pepper. Is that hot?
I'm good.
I need to try that. She can't be the only one. She can't be the only one. I need to know what you had. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. No, no, I'm good.
I'll still give you a little.
The pepper burst in my mouth.
The flavor, right?
I'm telling you, you gotta catch it with the breadfruit all over the. You gotta put the bread. It's like a stop leaf. You try to stop leaf water, but it's fire coming through. Holy, that's good.
I'm good.
I need the rest of the pepper.
You're on your own because there's 2 more pieces right
Oh, we
here.
gonna have that.
As flavorful as it is.
I haven't tasted pepper in ages. That's a crazy pepper. You see what they got me doing? I don't know where to go. I want to go back, but I can tell you, it lighted up in my mouth. If I ate that alone, right now I'll be doing.
When you're eating codfish, you gotta watch out for the bones. This is why I don't eat fish itself because I have issues with bones.
You're gonna say you're eating fish now?
Yeah, technically, yeah, but
I know, she don't eat fish. I literally forced her to eat this food.
right.
Of
Didn't
Jamaican.
used to eat this before either until you know who came along. When you marry a Jamaican husband, you gotta try Jamaican things. You understand? Yes.
But it's quick, eh?
Right? So hot. Mm-hmm. How the taste? Yummy.
Yeah, I haven't really tasted the ackee.
This one.
The fruits of your labor.
Right? Guys, a little story. I came to this Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Yeah. And when I saw the Ackee tree with Ackee on it, I've been dreaming of picking these Ackees. And before we leave, I actually picked the people them Ackee. I don't think the owner of the house would mind. I think she might be more excited and intrigued that we actually picked and tried the fruit. This is the first time I've actually picked it. Well, the boss man picked it. But still, it's good. Very good. And again, as you said, you have to wait till the fruit is actually opened, because if you pick it green or unopened, you could be poisoned. Nobody wants to be poisoned. The meal is actually pretty good.
The people are expert.
You actually got poisoned?
Yeah.
Oh.
I used to eat Ackee 7 days a week, 24/7, 72 hours, or 72 days. It doesn't matter. I used to eat Ackee. Once Ackee season starts, I start eating Ackee. When Ackee season closes, I'm still looking for Ackee. What does that tell you? But yeah, it was a good meal. It's like a Ackee and codfish rundown, you know, minus the other stuff that they put in it. They put red herring, they put saltfish, they put mackerel, and then they put a lot of pepper. This pepper would be perfect for it. But yeah, thanks for enjoying our meal with us. You know, we'll see you again another time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment and share. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.